Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. This time, I'll be reviewing the Casetify Impact High Definition Screen Protector, or HD Screen Protector for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I need to give a shout out to Casetify for sending this out to me for a review. Yes, I have been reviewing screen protectors for y'all, and I have one more, and I might be ordering some more. Might be ordering some Whitestone Dome screen protectors. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want to see one reviewed. I would try to pick it up too. But they were nice enough to send this out to me. I will have links in the description if you want to pick it up. But nice presentation from them. If y'all want to pause it, you can definitely do so. It has a little guide in here for us, so we'll try to figure it out and see if we can't do it without reading the instructions. But it says step 1, open the tray. Let's see what you get in here. I think it's only one. I'm getting trolled by the box here. Trolled by the box. Oh, you just have to pull it all out. Oh, so you leave that in there, so bam. But what you want to do is take this out. So here's all your cleaning stuff. This is just a filler. It's a de-dusting sticker. I mean, look how big this dust remover is. So bam, we're just going to leave that there. So you have your cleaning kit here. So let's open that bad boy up and see what you get. Normal stuff, wipes, a cloth. Like I have cloths all over my house. If I was a sewer, I could sew all these together and make a blanket or something. And then you get a squeegee. So I always turn off my phone. Someone asked me why is that? I said because I don't want to be pressing I don't want to take a screenshot now. I don't want to be pressing the buttons or anything like that while I'm trying to clean it off or install it. So, okay, power off. So that's why I turned it off. Now I have to take off the screen protector I have on there too. I'm just getting rid of a good screen protector. So, what you can do is pretty simple, is that your phone's gonna lay in here. Now, I guess you can clean it in here. So you have a dry one, and then you also have a wet wipe in here. I thought they was trolling me just with a dry one. So, wipe it down. I mean, I guess you could take your phone out if you didn't want to do it in this little holder, but now I'm gonna dry it off with the wet one. With the dry one. Do the microfiber cloth too. Why not? Again, I think I said this in every video. Do this at nighttime when you're not going to use your phone. That way you can really adhere. Oops. It can really adhere to the phone itself before you put a case on it. And this sticker. This is almost ridiculous. But you shouldn't have any dust bunnies though. Then what you want to do is flip this over. And it pretty much tells you to do one first. And it lines up pretty good because you have all these sides things here. So, do is just pull one off. Just pull it, hold it down. It's gonna stick to the screen. And then number 2 says do this number here. If you have any bubbles, that's what we're gonna squeegee out in a minute. Take the squeegee. And then what we're gonna do is take this off. Bam. Pop your phone out. And let's see how easy and how good it is. Pretty good. Pretty good fit too. It goes up to the edge of your screen. It has a little Casetify logo. I don't know if that's going to come up on camera or not. But it has like a little Casetify logo on the side of it. And at the bottom too. So would that be annoying? Let's see. While we wait for this to... I mean, you don't really see that too much. But you can tell it comes right to the edge. There's very minimalistic room right there. Even at the top and at the bottom. Very, very minimalistic room. So, and that wasn't too hard to install either. So, if you want to pick up this screen protector, again, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from their website. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.